You're not standing this time. Hey, stand up. Why are you doing on your knees, silly? Good girl. That's better. Let's turn it a little bit this way. Stand up. Get on it. Hey, cheater. There you go. Keep going. Where are you going? I still see you. You're stuck on the shoes.